Hello everyone, this is Christian from Speak Smart. Our topic today will help you improve your pronunciation skills. It is called intonation. In this lesson, you will explore various intonation patterns. It is to pronounce the words accurately, and it is also to enhance your confidence and credibility. And now, what is intonation? Intonation is the modulation of speech where it can indicate the nuances of words beyond their meaning. As intonation plays a vital role in speaking that conveys the speaker's emotions, attitudes, and grammatical intentions. It is also used to distinguish between statements and questions, in which intonation has three main types, called the falling intonation, the rising intonation, and non-final intonation. Starting with falling intonation. It is when the voice falls or lowers its pitch, where it gets deeper toward the end of a sentence. This type of intonation is one of the most common and usually happens at the end of statements. Falling intonation can also occur at the end of some kinds of questions, such as those beginning with who, what, where, why, and when. For example, I'm going to the Araneta Coliseum to watch the BTS concert. I want to travel around the world with my favorite person. Examples in a question. What is your favorite Beanie song? Why do you think people want to live in Canada? Following with rising intonation. This is essentially the opposite of falling intonation. In case that was unclear, it is when the voice rises or gets higher in pitch toward the end of a sentence. Rising intonation is most common in questions that can be answered with a yes or a no. For examples, do you want to meet Jungkook? Did you watch Inside Out 2 in the cinema? In this question, there will be a rise in pitch where your voice will get slightly higher at the end of a question. This is different from the what questions example in the intonation section. If you try saying both questions one after the other, you can see more clearly how the intonation changes at the end of each question. You could try it yourself, like, what is your favorite Beanie song? Or, do you want to meet Jungkook? You will notice that there are different intonations in two sentences. And lastly, non-final intonation. In non-final intonation, there is a rise in pitch and a fall in pitch in the same sentence. It is used in several different circumstances, including introductory phrases and unfinished thoughts. For example, in each of these utterances, there is an intonation spike where the voice gets higher, followed by an intonation dip where the voice gets lower. For example, with the introductory phrase, in fact, I know the area quite well. In fact, I know the area quite well. With unfinished thought, I have always wanted a dog, but and next is with list of items. My favorite subjects are English language, psychology, biology, and drama. My favorite subjects are English language, psychology, biology, and drama. Very lastly, with offering choices. Would you prefer Italian or Chinese dinner for tonight? Would you prefer Italian or Chinese dinner for tonight? Good everyone, that's all for today, and thanks for watching.